DJM TV.
Country people, una welcome to DJM TV weekly news update for Pidgin English. Me wan na this week na country brother Stanley Okocha. I beg my brother, my sister, if this one are the first time when you take dey watch our ogbonge news like this, I beg make you subscribe to our YouTube channel wey be DJM TV. Make you click on the notification bell so that you go continue dey receive hot ogbonge news like this. Our first news for today na be the one when it concern
DJM TV.
Conference room.
Wọ́n wà ní conference room, wọ́n lọ wọlé mọ́ kọ́ńpá sí píjà rẹ̀. That's very cool. They shoot the tank now. They won't kill people. It be tank. Tank. Wọ́n fẹ́ jó èèyàn mọ́ ni.
Wọ́n tún kó àwọn àmọ̀tẹ́kùn dání.
Yes, no vehicle. That is coming from the road.
Ọkọ̀ àmọ̀tẹ́kùn ó fi nǹkan bójú wọn. Where is the CP? Some are still coming.
Some are still at the campaign office.
Wọ́n bí sí láìpẹ́ ilé ìgbọ̀n kó ètò lọ. The state leader.
Wọ́n lọ pé èèyàn wà náà ní ẹ̀rọ.
If I tank gun is the most too. Tó bá gbé ọmọ bọ́ọ̀sì ní stand ni. Ibi tí tank ọmọ bọ́ọ̀sì wà yẹn ojúlé kú ni. Stand ló máa gbé náà. The one with just kind of point that all these vehicles are short and people are not going to do
Mọ́tò títún.
Damage on ṣe okay.
Don't for glass ẹ. Ara mọ́tò ní tó fọ́ glass ẹ. Ìbọn náà lò fún fífọ́ bí eléyìí. Àtẹ́tì kálẹ̀ lè gbé sí. Àtẹ́tì kálẹ̀ lè gbé sí. Nígbà téèyàn wọ aṣọ àmọ̀tẹ́kùn tó ní face mask. Ló fi bọ́ sí bí eléyìí.
Ojúkọ oúnjẹ tí ò máa yẹ pẹ́lẹ́ bí ni wọ́n. Ó ká àwọn bọ́ọ̀sì náà gbòòrò wọ́n pẹ́ fún wọn lórí.
Yeah, it's even better. Yeah, it's better. Come on, bit motor you're going to
Sir, let's go and stay with that.
With that vehicle, bit motor you want, sir? Yes, sir.
No, it's enough. That's a backdrop. It's enough.
It's okay like that.
Okay. Okay. Sorry. Má bọ̀. Ṣeun. Ọ̀gá fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀.
Gentlemen of the press. Gentlemen of the press, we have formally come to lodge a report of incidents of violence, attack, firing of shots, destruction of our vehicles, attempt to kill at Oba in the governor's enterprise. On the 7th of September, people were attacked in Nigerian. On the 9th of September, somebody was killed by the same APC thugs. On the 14th of September, the same thing happened in Italy. Today, 16th of September 2020, upon permission and approval of the police, we went on our normal tour campaign, very peaceful one. We were at Oba, at the palace of the Oloba of Oba, when the governor's entourage passed with the convoy of APC thugs, all armed with pump action, all armed with guns. They are on video following the leadership of APC, and they saw us at Oloba's palace, and they fired shots at us. Fired shots at our women, fired shots at our men, destroyed our vehicles, and aimed their bullets at the petrol tanks of all the vehicles there. We have come with all these vehicles to report to the Commissioner of Police about this lawless incident of an attempt to kill. Let me register this. We're not afraid, but we do not want anybody's blood shed on the account of this race. Unfortunately, I have not seen this level of desperation in all my life. They claim they won election in 2016. We didn't do anything. the SSG of the same government came out and said they rigged the elections. They rigged us out. We still didn't do anything. We are on peaceful campaign today, and they armed themselves from the first to last person with guns, shooting at our people. We have come to see the Commissioner of Police. He has seen the evidence. Over 20 vehicles were destroyed, windscreen, windshield. Thank God we were not in the vehicle because we were right inside the Loba's Palace, and they shot at it. And we have evidence here. And it will get to a point that we'll call on our people to defend themselves. We do not want any blood to be shed, but we call on our people in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. They must now rise up and defend themselves. We do not want people to die, but we're not going to lie down slaughtered like chickens. And I call on the government, and I've spoken with him today on the phone. I've spoken with the CP today on the phone. I've spoken with the Director of SS today on the phone, that they should call their dogs to order. This is going to be a lawless society. And we have a chief executive. And interestingly, they have now deployed the so-called Amotekun, who will now use masks to cover their faces and carry arms, pump action, in the name of Amotekun, tied with red ribbon, and shooting at the people you want to govern. This is not going to be allowed. We will resist it. We are focused on winning the election. We will win the election by God's grace. We have God on our side. We are far, far more than them. Go to my family house. They have destroyed all the billboards that you have there. Go to Owo. Enter Owo. We have only one billboard there. They've turned it to shreds. They keep on attacking our people wearing a tire cap and injuring them. And they are taking over the entire town with arms. And we're calling on the CP himself to rise up to the occasion. Sir, the CP is the Commissioner of Police for the entire state. It's not the CP for the governor. And we have told him today that unless they want everybody to be carrying guns in Ondo State, they must put a stop to this. What they tried and they did in Kogi should not be imported here, for God's sake. The chief executive is a person I respect very well. He's my learned brother, he's the senior brother. But when it gets to the point of carrying arms on the streets, and we have the videos that are going to go viral now, and we show everybody what they have done. They go around and destroy their own posters. Then they accuse us of destroying posters. They go around and burn their own vehicles, and they accuse us of burning their vehicles. They go around armed with guns, and they accuse us of arming ourselves with guns. We had to turn back today from Akoko to return back to Akure because we cannot face such lethal weapons that they were all carrying. They had police. The first shot we fired was fired from within their vehicle, and they keep on firing at every person, everything they saw on the road. God save us. But we will resist this. We are focused. We will win the election. We will be peaceful, but we will defend ourselves. Thank you very much.
My brother, my sister, if this one are the first time when you take a watch our Ogbonge news like this, I beg, make you subscribe to our YouTube channel when be DJM TV. Make you click on the notification bell so that you go continue to receive all Ogbonge news like this.
DJM TV. DJM TV.